So if you've been wanting to switch to clean skincare, but every time you try, your skin freaks out, this is for you. Redness, dryness, breakouts, all the things that make you want to run back to your old products. Let's talk about how to go non-toxic without wrecking your skin barrier in the process. So here's what usually happens. You get excited, you throw out all your old products, you buy new clean ones, and 2 weeks later, your skin is angry and inflamed, and you think, well, I guess that non-toxic didn't work for me. But that is so not true. It's not that your skin can't handle clean skincare. It's usually because it's detoxing, adjusting, and trying to repair years of damage of harsh ingredients. Your skin works on a cellular level, and it takes about 4 weeks for those cells to fully turn over. So if you don't give your skin at least 4 to 6 weeks, you won't see the results on the other side of healing. This isn't about instant results. It's about giving your skin the time and the truth it needs to do what God designed it to do, which is heal. Our bodies are amazing. Remember that. Most people never learn how the skin barrier actually works, and the industry isn't going to teach you that either because they profit off of your confusion. Your skin barrier is your body's built-in defense system, and when you overload it with actives and toxins and too many products all at once, it literally panics. And healing takes time. But once your barrier is strong, your skin will finally do what it's designed to do, which I've said this all along. It will heal itself. Hey, I'm Nikki Matias, and I'm a paramedical and cosmetic tattoo artist. And I have spent years working on real faces, helping people just like you heal their skin naturally and understand what it really needs to thrive without toxins, confusion, or 10-step routines. So here's how to switch to non-toxic skincare without wrecking your skin barrier, because that's the most important thing to keep intact. Number one, you're going to start slow. Don't swap everything out at once. Replace one product at a time, usually your cleanser or your moisturizer first, those staple products. So keep it simple, keep it slow. Number two, keep it simple. Your skin doesn't need 10 products to heal. Stick with a gentle cleanser, a nourishing moisturizer, and restorative serum like my Skin Revival Skin Night Serum. It can help the skin barrier start to repair and help it start to heal and give it those nutrients that it needs. Three, avoid fragrances and harsh actives. Your skin barrier is like a wall. It needs time to rebuild. Skip the exfoliants, the acids, the retinols for a bit. Let your skin rest and just work on that barrier. Number four, hydrate from the inside out. Drink water, eat healthy, and protect your barrier with moisture. Don't strip it with stripping ingredients. Five, give it time. Healing skin is like healing your heart. It takes patience, consistency, and it definitely takes truth. You gotta know what's going to work. Your skin doesn't need a full reset. It needs a rhythm. It needs a cadence. It needs consistency. When you feed it truth and patience instead of toxins and panic, it will reward you with that natural, healthy glow that no filter can fake, because this is how you take your power back, one clean step at a time. If you're ready to find out where to start with your own clean skincare journey, take my Where to Start Skincare Quiz. It's quick, it's simple, and it'll help you figure out exactly what your skin needs to begin healing the right way without wrecking your barrier. And if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe so more women like you can take their power back through truth and education. Because I will always say, graceful aging starts with truth and a little rebellion.